Welcome back, chemistry fans. I was thinking to myself, why am I still printing instructions for you? You don't read them. I had to recycle a whole bunch of them last class. Why don't I just simply talk straight to you and tell you what you're doing today? That's the purpose of this video today. So here we go. I'm going to share my screen and we're just going to talk about what I want from you to do, or what I want for you to do today. So here we go. Here is your daily agenda for today. Get into your objectives and notice that what you are going to be doing is working specifically with the number of atoms. Now, I understand what happened last time. You may have not watched any of these videos that are in the links here. The silly video there, or down here at the bottom, the notes lesson. And if you haven't, you should try to get into it. The most important thing you can do is to make sure you have the mole map. If you have the mole map, you're going to be okay with everything else that we do today. So get into the mole map and then find yourself this warm-up. I will place a video that shows the solution to these. You got 2 practice problems that I would love for you to do as a warm-up to get yourself reviewed on what we did last time with the mole map. And then we'll get into some of the new content here in just a second. So what you're going to look at here is the fact that you have a quiz next class. So it's incumbent on you to not come ill-prepared, for you not to say, I didn't understand it. That's not going to cut it. We are going to take the quiz, but we will review, because I finally will be back at school on the 12th. It's kind of been a while since I've been there to help you through the process, and I get that. Things just get in the way, and so I apologize. We're going to make the best of this while we can. Your percentages, if you want to look, that's perfectly fine. If you haven't already, today is the last day. Get your late work turned in. I am caught up as of now. I can still help you with your grades. If you're dissatisfied, you want that A, make sure you're getting that A. Turn everything in, make your corrections, and I will get it graded as soon as possible. Now, again, for the notes, if you haven't watched the video, please do that. I'm going to focus you in then on the mole lab part 2. And so what happens on this is you're going to watch a new video. It's going to be you blowing up a balloon, and you're going to figure out and calculate how many liters are in that balloon. And so it takes a little bit of process. You're going to have to think this through, because you're going to have to do 2 steps of conversions. And that's what I hope then that you can also get from the homework as well as the practice. So notice down here, if you haven't ever clicked on it, that's a sad sign. But if you click on it, it will take you to a series of worksheets. These worksheets, I'm going to have listed out what I want you to work on to practice. I'll give you a specific list, even though you should do them all. But if you wanted some specific list of problems, I'm going to give those to you on these first couple of practice through 53 here. So this is everything that I wish to share with you to start your day. Make sure that you are staying busy, you're being polite, hold your questions for the sub, and send them to me through email, and I'll do my best to try and answer them. Make sure you're turning in your late work. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great afternoon. Bye. Great weekend. You won't be here for Monday.